roll.
Sunny day, my better way. Raw Savage in the building, yeah. I've been looking for a better way, for a better day. I know my rainy days gon' fade away, so I've been hoping for better days, praying for a better way. I know the future bright, so I ease my pain. So I've been hoping for better days, praying for a better way. I can't assure you rainy days ain't really friendly. Had to go through so much pain just to get a penny. Walk through them whole night just so we could get paid. Had to make the flow right, thought it was getting late. We in the trenches trying to make money and get over our losses. Before they knew we, they was calling us bosses. They was excited cause they did me wrong, but they don't know where I'm coming from. We don't even think of giving up. Them through the hustle, fighting anxiety and depression. We used to skip classes and lessons just to get off addiction. I cried through them lonely nights, I didn't have nothing to eat. Now I'm eating to my fuel, To all the niggas that did me wrong, I got nothing against ya, but I bet that the streets gon' get ya. And to all them girls that held me down, I swear to God I never forget ya. I kill anything that come against ya, and I'm ready for it. I'm making sure that my kids don't work for nothing. My family and my crew eating up the profit. I don't have nothing to prove, cause I'm loyal to myself, and I got so much to lose, that's why I'm always conscious. Steadily calculating moves to get me out the dungeon. I know they play with my hustle, so all thing I dung down. Let the money make the noise, though the money don't talk. I know the fuck with no money, cause girls wanna wear my condom. Because any nigga with them back, future whole and function. You know what time it is? Hey boys in the building, Raw Savage in the building. You know what time it is? Jimmy Stick, I see ya. I've seen people work hard, but yet they still fail. Lord, I'm begging, I don't wanna end up in the same way. Mama left and the pain left scars on my brain. Promises to hard struggles never going in vain. Haters came into my life, but yet they left the same way. I'm very conscious of my choices, got nobody to blame. Used to make sacrifices just to please everyone around me, but they started acting funny, calling me a dummy. So I stopped, then they start for chat, say I'm stingy. One thing I learned for sure, you know, if you please nobody, just do your thing and let them talk, cause they must talk about it. Just give them deaf ears, pretend you didn't hear about it. Make sure you're always ready, never fuck up in public, before they use your picture for do WhatsApp emoji. God damn. I speak the truth, though it hurts, and it's always hard when I serve. These rappers claiming bars, but can't make it right on the verse. Rhyming like nursery school kids, still trying to rehearse. I still beat them, even when I'm running in reverse. Niggas send me off a street because they envy my budget. Vex to be off as a chick, fuck the tension. Niggas be so broke that they can't even pay attention. Sliding my DM, trying to seek cheap attention, but that ain't happening. You know what time it is? A-boys in the building, Raw Savage in the building, I will taking over. I know my rainy days gon' fade away, so I'll be hoping for better days, praying for a better way. I know the future bright, so I ease my pain. So I'll be hoping for better days, praying for a better way. Lord, money and blessings is all that I ask for. Keep all my homies safe and pray that we stand strong, cause we slaves to the hustle. I better be a warrior in the garden than the gardener at war. I get brains, not be muscle. We think money, make plan, post art, run out, stack up the bundles. Follow a transaction, see me in the streets clean. Don't follow sharp for so we deal with street still. Went in the back with the chop on matrix. Handling I'm a bikini, never tell on the G. Bro code make money, trust no one in the streets. You said we know say real niggas, no say plenty for streets. We know the fear, we all in, taking all of the risks, but make the share try away, move our family for bush. Turn my dreams to reality. Hood scars of a savage on my top, but this one is full of vanity. We keep that our minds and now we selling currency. Steady moving, slowly grinding, making legacy. Working hard, I'm giving in the best of me. Flow so dark like the color of my melanin. Why? But then they walk, nigga. But they never quarter with the walk, yeah. Never giving in, For sure we never giving in. You know what time it is? A-boys in the building. Raw Savage in the building, you know what time it is. We're taking over from better days.